what we're going to be doing is seeing what the leak was, what was causing the reason for this to wet itself and throw itself everywhere. Oh yeah, no, still going. So we just need to whip the wipers off. I've just popped one of those caps off underneath here and it's buggered off straight down there, so great start. Hopefully it's fallen to the floor, but yeah, just going to pop these off. They're all 13 mils, get the wipers off, and probably clear the scuttles as well while I'm there. Yeah, and see what's going on with the washer bottle that, yeah, decided to throw itself everywhere and scare me, so. Somewhere in this mechanism here it makes a horrible crunch every time the wipers go, so this is why I'm sort of pushed on this quite bad. It's quite awkward to get the wipers out, but it's just 10 mils, and it finds a way, just sort of twist and turn and it'll pop out. But now cracking onto the washer bottle, I'm not really sure what's attached where, to be honest. Looks like there's a bit of an electrical plug there. Oh my god. My question is, how do you unplug all of these? Hey. That's probably gonna not help with the car's weeing itself. I've sort of unplugged this accidentally, which I believe is probably one of the things that keep the water in. No! Just unplugged this one as well, it's all bloody. So at least I know that one's sealed properly. There's quite a lot of what did seal properly, maybe not anymore. Come with me. So I'm just going to clear up all this, make sure the scuttles are free, get a hose and put it on slow. And I've cleaned up all the what. How did I get it in? How? How did you go in there? Now I've cleaned up all the connections, just see if it leaks. I'm going to fill it up with water. It's coming back down here. I think it's where the pipe where it runs to where the headlight washers used to be. Obviously I've blanked mine off, because if I pinch this, that's just the excess, but it's not making the noise anymore. Making the noise. It's like here. Not making the noise. So I think I'm just going to block that off. See how weird that? It's stopped running now. Oh well. Got this little pipe cover that I use at work, which covers some of the stuff just to block the copper pipes up when I'm working above. I think it's going to work like a dream. Not that I need to plug this, of course, but I might get another one for that. So I don't want to plug that back in. Or just get some electrical tape. I don't want to plug that one back in, just because, yeah, I don't want the water running through to the headlights. I'm pretty sure that's what both of those do. So this one on this right hand side obviously runs up to do the top. It does tee off and go back down into the car as well, so I'm not really sure what that one does. Just going to clean the wipers up, probably put some grease on them as well to try and stop that cracking noise as it runs around, but it keeps cracking. We've got to change it, so we shall see. Yeah, that's about it. So we'll just put it all back together. So remember, if you're clearing off scuttle drains, there's one down here. Doesn't normally get blocked, but is obviously all by all the electrics. This is the easiest one to get to because this panel comes off separate to the wipers, so it's easy enough to check. But they all drain through the arch where it overlaps. There, just back there, you can see like where an overlap, and that's where the water will drain from. Obviously same with this one, when we had all this off, just down in there, once again it drains down into there, and then you have the centre one. You can actually see it on mine just there. Not sure if the camera will adjust, but there's a little like, yeah, big old tube coming out the bottom there. It's quite hard to access from the top, but it's sort of down in that groove here behind that metal framework. So even taking the wipers off is quite hard to get to. The only access is from this way. I used a bit of lead that I obviously use for soldering at work, and you can push it through and push all out the bottom, because that's quite a common one to block, is the centre scuttle. So yeah, if you're ever doing any drain clearance, which you should probably do once a year, especially if you live around trees like moi, probably quite good to do to save it filling up and messing your electrics. Alright, so we are done. A couple more jobs I want to do in the engine bay. I want to hook that back underneath, and then engine cover back on, tidy all that up. I've still got that piece to put on that I haven't done yet. Oops. Bracket for the battery is gone missing ever since working on the car. I told him not to worry about it. I'll just have to get another one, and then I could put my battery cover and air filter cover on, so that'll finish that corner off. Need to buy a new horn because that's not working for some reason. Yeah, I think that's about it. And hopefully that little cap is underneath the car, but I'm going to roll it forward now and find out, because that's annoying. It's done the 10mm escape. It dropped straight down on top of the turbo and then just sort of rolled away. Oh my god. So I better just check that I've done everything right. Oh, they settle nicely now as well. The old auto glass boys that came and did it, they were like hugging each other, so that's a bit better. And they still work. Decent. Cool. I'm going to roll it forward, see if we can find the cover cap. Oh. It's not friendly, is it? But yes. Thank you very much for tuning in, as always. Hope you've enjoyed this mini video. But yes, for everyone, yeah, especially if you haven't ever done it on your car before, I advise you getting a wiper remover thing, and also, yeah, checking the scuttles, especially Clio 182s, Clio 197s. It's a massive common issue that the scuttle blocks, fills up. It causes more issues, so it's, yeah, get the wipers off and clear out those drains. But obviously, yeah, the washer bottle hopefully will now stay plugged. I reset that washer on the left hand side and it didn't seem to leak after that. Found the reason why it was running through and weeing itself, so clearly something's broken that sort of headlight washer side of the pump there, so it's just letting water out as soon as it gets to a high enough level. So yeah, perfect. Reasonably successful. Thank you very much for tuning in. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Any videos you guys want to see, I'm happy to do them. Yes. Woohoo.